My name's John Savarino, and this is Talking Money. And today's video, we are going to be discussing some income tax changes going into 2023. Now, rates have not changed for 2023. Specifically, what's changed, or what I think is most important that's changed, is the breakpoints of how much we can earn in each respective tax bracket, and also our standard deduction. So you'll see we have a single taxpayer example and a married filing jointly example here on the board for 2023. As a single taxpayer, you will see I can make up to $11,000 of taxable income and pay 10%. Then it goes up to $44,000, previously about $40,000 in 2022. Once I get into 22%, it goes up to $95,000, previously about $88,000 to $89,000, and you can follow it all the way up. So overall, we've seen changes on the bottom end of about 8 to 9%, and then pretty close to the same percentage increase to how much money we can make in each respective tax bracket. On the married filing jointly side of things, you'll see our first $22,000 of taxable income is subject to 10%. That's up about 10% from last year in 2022, where it was about $20,000. And then in the 12% bracket, we can make up to $89,000. Going forward, in the 22% tax bracket, we're at $190,000. And then past that, we're up to $364,000 in the 24% tax bracket. Once again, keep in mind, this is for a married filing jointly example on the right side. Also, if you hadn't seen any of our videos in the past, keep in mind, if my taxable income as a single taxpayer is $80,000, that does not mean that I'm paying 22% on my full $80,000. It slides up. So once again, my first $11,000 subject to a 10% tax rate on the federal level. Between $11,000 and $44,000, I'm subject to 12% in federal taxes. And then between $44,000 and $80,000, I'm subject to 22% federal taxes on that amount, thus giving me an effective tax rate. So always keep that in mind, whether you're filing single, married, filing jointly, it's a sliding scale upwards in terms of what tax rate you're paying. Lastly, standard deductions for the year has been updated as well. If you're single, that standard deduction is going to be $13,850. If you're married filing jointly, that standard deduction is going to be $27,700 for the year 2023. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Any feedback, topics, questions that you want us to talk about moving forward, leave that via comment below. Subscribe, hit that notification button, and as always, we'll talk money soon.